also Adrian, Diana Hope. You are here today to say your love with an eternal bond before the church. I assure you of the prayers of our community that God may pour His blessings upon you. And you, my brothers and sisters who are present in this celebration, may I ask you to help them with your prayers and accept them as the new couple in our Christian community. May I now ask Adriana and Diana to answer truthfully the following questions. Diana, did you come here of your own free will to find yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Adriana, did you come here of your own free will to find yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
Are you both ready to raise as good Christians children whom God will give you?
Yes, Father.
Adriana and Diana, since you wish to contract holy matrimony, please join your right hands as you express your intention before God and His church. Diana, do you take Adrian here present for your lawful husband according to the right of our Holy Mother of the Church?
Yes, I do.
And do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, I
Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
do. Yes, I do.
Adrian, do you take Diana here present for your lawful wife according to the right of our Holy Mother of the Church?
Yes, I do.
And do you accept her as your lawful wife?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to her as her husband?
Yes, I do.